As you take born your pikin, na so my Naira Marley, abeg, ṣé ìyá Naira Marley ṣì wà láyé? Is that time ki ìyá Naira Marley jáde kó fún ẹ ní èpè tọmọtọmọ ẹ? Is that time ki ìyá Naira Marley kó jáde kó fún ẹ ní èpè tọmọtọmọ ẹ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó?
Ẹ̀yin tèmi Lizzy Anjorin tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ó ní ó yẹ kí màmá Naira Marley kí ó jáde kó wá fún Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ní èpè tó gbóná gidi gan. Arábìnrin yìí ó sọ̀rọ̀ yìí nínú láìfù tí ó ṣe ní alẹ́ àná. Níbẹ̀ ni ó ti tún sọ̀rọ̀ wípé ó ní Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ó ní aláìníláárí ni ó ní arábìnrin náà ṣèyàn rere ní àwùjọ wa. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Lizzy Anjorin sọ nìyí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí Lizzy tún ní fún wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú nínú fídíò náà.
You are even saying here, if Nigerians want to cancel you, olórí burúkú awáyé má ṣe rere ẹ. Why he be saying na cancel you dey work for? Unfortunate bastard like you, lazy bastard. Olórí burúkú onídòkúdò ọmọ òfò, ọmọ èpè. Ṣé ìyá Naira Marley bá yé èèyàn jẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ń bá yé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́? If Nigeria wants to cancel you, ta ni wọ́? It's you and your children that always go to strippers club. Nigeria should cancel. Not Naira Marley. Naira Marley did nothing. Naira Marley parents has never come online and destroy anybody's glory or any children. It's you and your children that should be cancelled. Olórí burúkú ọmọ òfò.
Tell anybody to cancel you.
Shenbo.
And I don't think I ever did a video to say cancel Naira Marley. I don't think so.
You didn't do the video, but you pushed narrative. You and your man friend pushed the narrative. Abi, the thing was bad. I never knew that thing was bad like this. I did not know it. Only continue motion what they
Only that man, you're the one that did the video to say they should cancel them, whether they are right or whether they are wrong.
When Very Dark Man now did a video that either they are right or wrong, they should cancel them. And when Very Dark Man now reversed a comment, Yabo, why did you guys posted a noodles? Is noodles? Let me analyze something for you. Very Dark Man has come that they should cancel them. That is human being. Abi, out of anger. He has not given birth. He has not married. He has said out of anger, out of annoyance, cancel them. And later, less than 72 hours, he came back. He said, no, let's give this thing second thought. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, that boy is as young as your son. The way Very Dark Man entered that thing with, how can I put it? With feelings, and he withdraw himself back and face reality. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, what stops you from facing reality? The way Very Dark Man later faced reality. Like, no, if we have to cancel these people, no, let's think it this way. Let's think it that way. Why do you open WhatsApp group and be collecting money? Is that boy's, yes, emotions, God bless him, is Very Dark Man noodles part of justice for Mohbad? Yabo, is Very Dark Man noodles part of justice for Mohbad? Then Yabo, the way you attack people, the way you bully people, and the way you rush to police station and court shows you are hiding something about Mohbad's case. You know, it's during this Mohbad case, you guys went to Idumata to go and lay ambush for me. You know, Abi? And we saw where you guys said you guys should be disgracing and manipulating people that are supporting justice for Mohbad. Oh, ní ríre mọ́ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Oh, ní ríre mọ́. Gbogbo tó lọ fún ẹ ló máa tọ́jú ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ tán.
You did that video. I did it. I was angry.
Same tactics. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, ìwọ ló máa ń wà níbi tán ti ń cancel èèyàn. Ní 2019, bó lórí búkú ẹ ṣe gbórí jáde nìyẹn. Orí gbígbẹ bí orí awó yíyan. Bí orí awó bàbá aláta l'Amẹ́ríkà. Bó lórí búkú ẹ ṣe gbórí jáde nìyẹn. Mama, ó ṣe jáde nìyẹn 2019 Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ẹ sábọ̀dù ló ṣépè fọmọ ẹ lọ gbé sí Punch pé mi mo bú ṣépè fọmọ Ìyábọ̀ ìwọ láyé ti cancel bá ayé ti cancel ẹ tọmọtọmọ ẹ ayé ti cancel ẹ tọmọtọmọ ẹ.
Emotional. Yes. At the time, yes. I'm an African mother. That's the mother.
You are not an African mother, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. You are a pathetic failure, a lazy bastard. If you say you are an African mother, how many children do you have? How many of your children did you single-handedly raise with your sweat? Ìwọ tó ń tọrọ bára kiri, ìwọ tó pé tó ń bá la ẹ mọ́lẹ̀ bí ẹni la pàpà ńlá gi mọ́lẹ̀ ò lè jẹun. You are an African mother. Tí lá tó tà àbí tẹ̀fọ́ tó tà. Wọ́n bá sọ pé African mother, ó rò pé àwọn tó ń ṣe orí burúkú kiri bí titi ẹ. Ó rò pé àwọn tó ń dú ọkọ colleagues wọn kiri bí titi ẹ. Ná pè l'African mother. Ó rò pé àwọn tó ń ṣẹ̀sìn kiri bí titi ẹ. Ó rò pé àwọn tó ń ṣe orí burúkú bí titi ẹ ná pè l'African mother. Iṣẹ́ kí ló lórí burúkú ẹ gbé kalẹ̀. Kí ni Davido ń ṣe lórí Gistlover? Kí ni K1 Wasiu Ayinde ń ṣe lórí Gistlover? Mo ń bèrè ni. Kí ni Senator Dino ń ṣe? Ìyábọ̀ Òjó gbogbo anybody tó ní contact pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ kí ló ń ṣe lórí Gistlover? Kí ni Lizzy Anjorin ṣe lórí Gistlover? Àmágbésùn títí ẹ kò dórí Gistlover rí. Tó bá jẹ́ pọ́kọ Lizzy ló ń ṣe wall lever wá ti gbé sórí Gistlover. Ṣé bọ́jọ́ kẹta according to allegedly wọ́n lọ́jọ́ kẹta tó tẹ́ ẹ dé láti triple lọ́mọ kú. Kí ló dé tí ò ṣe bọ́ Sunday? Kí ló dé tí Gistlover tí ẹ ṣe post kankan nípa àgbésùn ẹ rárá tọwọ́ yín bá mọ́? Ìyábọ̀ kí ló dé àgbésùn ẹ man friend yẹ kò feature rí lórí Gistlover rárá. Meanwhile yẹn ilẹ̀ gbé travel. Ó ní fídíò kan tí mo wo ilé kan mọ́ wa.
I know you're trying so hard to conquer. I think I'm the only hard enough that you've not been able to try. So, I'm in no battle with you, honestly. Whatever it is that I feel that you've done to me wrong, the least I'll do is just take it to the right authorities and ask them to.
There is no authority that will listen to you. You are a failure, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. You are a pathetic failure. Did you remember that authority before you jump into people's family's case? You enter people's family because of donation. When they can't give you blow for mouth, you can't run back to authority. No authority will help you. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. The authorities knows what you even did to them during election. Baba Obi, Baba Tinubu, Baba Atiku, they were all friends. Torí àtẹnujẹ olórí burúkú ẹ ó sọ election dogun. Ó sọ lé ayédàwà lọ. No authority. Because you did not carry the authority along. When you want to go carry the body, collect donation. You carry authority, follow your body. When you go open WhatsApp group, you are a pathetic failure. Yeah, but you are no authority. If you go to any authority, you go talk your own, everybody go talk their own. And any authority when one save the end, no go follow you. You where you the name drop. Authority that cannot stop you from collecting donation. Authority that, did you contact authority before you go do secret DNA for another man picking? Did you contact that authority? Or ni wu etomotomo Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Always poke nose into people's business.
Invite you so that you go to court and, if you've defamed me, you always say you have proof. Provide the proof, that's all.
Provide what? You are a mad woman, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Can a strange person defame you? You are the first person that defamed people. When you defame people, you expect them to keep quiet. Ìyá Naira Marley, tẹ́ bá wà láyé tẹ́ tí jáde ti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Màá ṣe èpè fún yín. Mo fún yín ní 3 days láti 3 days mo máa ṣe èpè fún. Ṣé ìyá Naira Marley ṣì wà láyé? Ìyá Naira Marley, today is what? Today is what? Today is Monday. Ìyá Naira Marley, mo fún yín di Wednesday or Thursday. Tí n bá ti ń ṣe show mama wọ́n yín ní èpè ni. Mama ṣépè fún yín ìyá Naira. Tó bá jáde kó wá fèsì olórí burúkú ọmọ yìí. Ẹni kó lọ fún Dino mọ́. Ẹni kí Gistlover lọ fún Dino. Torí Dino ò gbádùn, ó mọ̀ pé bọ̀dá yẹn ò gbádùn. Ó mọ̀ pé bọ̀dá yẹn ò jiná dénú. ìyẹn ò dẹ̀ kan wá. Ó ti yẹ victim Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ni mí, so ohun tó bá wù mí mo lè ṣe. Àwọ̀ pìtì tẹ̀kú dà àti kò jẹ́bo ló ṣàbí náà kò sí bàbá lákú bàbá ìyá lákú ìyá yín tí ó bọ̀. Ṣebí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ń bully me for many years, over 18 years to 20 years. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti ń bully me back to back. For me to have excused myself from film industry, do you know what they have done to me? Mo tún wá kúrò ní mo ra excuse yín mi kúrò ní film o, mo wá ṣe business. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tún wá nọrùn wá, ogun ló máa fẹ́ rin yíyẹ̀pẹ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tọmọtọmọ ẹ̀. Nti máa ṣe fún òní gbàgbé ẹ̀ láyé èpè ní máa fi yí ìṣẹ̀dá ìwọ àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ padà. Did you bring that authority before you jump into my family's matter? Did you contact that authority before you dey put your mouth inside my matter? Ọlọ́run ló máa bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó.
But like I have a personal hatred or something.
Olórí burúkú olè. Do you know that they've started donations since yesterday? Did you